Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing political science or democratic politics. In that chapter, outcomes of democracy. Today we are going to discuss a topic is called economic outcomes of democracy. When we see the democracy, the it is a very fascinate about how it would be for democracy applies for to the people's deep value, how it will be support for to the people, how it will be fulfill the needs of a people, a citizens of particular democratic country. So when we take a debates on the some different topics, which is give some facts, figures on the basis of the debate, that is a topic of economic outcomes. In a democracy, we have one such a debate. In so many years, we are the learning this democracy, and we are the having so many advices to check it out the how the democracy have a relationship between economic growth and economic inequalities, is it not? So here to understand that in a democracy we have so many problems to solve, that is based on economical condition, that is the poverty, hungerness, schooling, healthcare, hygienic, providing us houses for to the each person, the making a people the equally. And in a democracy, here they are the given tables to understand that. Table 1, the shows that on the average some in table 1 we are the having a different countries, that is a democratic as well as a dictatorship and poor countries, the growth rate, how they are the having a better records of economic growth. But when we are comparing these records the only for to the in a poor countries, the virtually no difference at all. In table 2, it is the inequality of income in selected countries, that is the South Africa, Brazil, Russia, USA, United Kingdom, Denmark and Hungary. So here in table 2, where we are having a high degree of inequality on the within a democracy, in a democratic country like a South Africa and Brazil, the top 20% of the people take away from to the then the 60% in that national income, living less than 3% of the bottom 20% of a population. So countries like Denmark, they are having a better comparison to other countries. So these two tables we can, when we compare, they are the growth rate, the poor countries as well as all democratical and dictatorship countries, they are the having a growth. The whatever it is, whether that country is a democracy, democratic country or non-democratic country, but economical growth is very important of each person that make a country growth. So when the population have a good economical condition, automatically economical growth we can see any kind of a countries, that is a democratic country or non-democratic country. But where we have the more population, it is little difficult to make a development of economy. But even though when we are comparing to India to other country, we are having a huge population, but even though the other country has also lot more population, but that is in a good economical condition, but it's also is make a effect of people. Some are in democratic countries, non-democratic countries. They are the underdeveloped, developing, and developed countries. So the democracy it's a give the impact of economic outcomes. So for the reference, and you can check it out all these points in your 10th grade NCERT textbook. Thank you.